Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back NS Tech 24 channel. Today I'm going to show that browser tips for Google Chrome and Egypt Microsoft Egypt. Nowadays all of browser these tips use for session and smart user. Now we want how can use it. Open a browser. Now look here. This is the one of sessions and another sessions. I want this movie. One browser, this movie here. Look,
মা বাইরে
and another browser's officials. And look, another sessions news pixel app. So this session, if I want to close this browser, look here, there are two browser. Now if I want to close it, is closed. This is the problem. And another session is no come here. It's all of gone. The same tips for Chrome browser. Look, I want to use youtube.com and another sessions, another tab. Wikipedia. There are two tabs I use for this browser. If I want to close it and close, and I lost my all tabs, so it's the problem. So now how do we start the return sessions when I close it? Let's start. Just open your browser and go look your settings options here, settings, and now press start home and new tab. Now you open this page. When it is start, there are three options. Open the new tab page, open tabs from the previous session, which sessions I closed. The same options here, the Chrome browser. Look here, you go your settings and on startup, you click on startup. So they are same look, Chrome browser and Microsoft Edge browser, both are same, just manual settings and lookup are different. Look here, when it is start and startup. Now we select on open tabs from the previous session, select and open continue where you left off, which I left off, then select the continue and just you click on just I on these settings. Okay, if you have save not come, no, just close and look. And now I use YouTube, Wikipedia, and same I close YouTube and open YouTube, Pixel app, the movie. Look here, all of my users available. Now I check out this problem. Okay, now close the browser. I'll refresh. Now I check the browser, and when my browser start, look here, this is the which I left off the tabs, all of come. So it's fast for my previous work as a smart user. So after all, when I open this browser and again open this tab, again open the sessions, is a very time loss for a smart browser. So hi guys, if this tutorial very helpful for you, please stay connected with NS Tech 24 channel. Thank you for watching this video.